Some sovereigns can detect a rookie officer or an officer who doesn't have a lot of experience dealing with sovereigns very quickly, and they feed on that energy. This is one of those instances, but when the rookie officer calls a more senior officer, we see the script get flipped pretty quickly. Passenger side approach, busy highway, really like that.
Good afternoon, Deputy Rexford, Flagler County Sheriff's Office. How are you doing today? Another deputy ran your tag back there, and the registered owner has a suspended license. Are you the registered owner? You have a driver's license on you? Can I see your license, please? The registered?
There was no reason.
The registered owner has a suspended license. That gives us a probable cause to stop the vehicle. And the registration of the vehicle is also expired.
I am traveling. And this is a private vehicle.
The registration on the vehicle is also expired, sir.
Like I said, this is a private vehicle. This is not no corporate.
Ding, ding, ding. Traveling, corporate, private, refusal to give ID, sovereign territory.
This is not under corporate. Driver's license are under corporate.
Alpha 312 Flagler. 1069 code 2.
The officer requested backup because he sees that he's dealing with something that he doesn't necessarily have a lot of experience with, and this is a good time to have another unit with you.
Driver's license are under the corporation.
Sir, can you turn the vehicle off and place the keys on the dashboard, please?
The vehicle is off.
Place the keys up on the dashboard, please.
No, I will not. This is a private vehicle.
Hello?
I'm not under your jurisdiction.
You are under my jurisdiction.
No, I'm not.
Listen, man, look.
No, I'm not.
Look.
I already been through this through Judge Bishop.
Okay.
Been through all of this.
Okay, but what I'm telling you is this, right?
Already been through this.
Comes up, tag was ran. You have a expired tag on the back of your vehicle. It also says the registered owner of the vehicle has a suspended license. You are traveling on a
under jurisdiction. I'm not under
you are traveling on a public roadway in my jurisdiction.
No, it's not. No,
in my jurisdiction.
I am indigenous.
Are you refusing? I got you.
I am indigenous.
Are you refusing to identify yourself to us? Do you have a license on you? Are you
under contract? I'm not under your
under contract? Doesn't make no sense, man.
Verbal contract is saying understanding.
Okay. Sir, you admitted to being the registered owner of the vehicle.
I am not a straw man. You hear me? I'm not a straw man. I already been through all of this.
Do you have your license on you? You can sit there and tape me all day. I'm taping too, man. I understand.
Okay.
So it's fine. It's your right.
Put your hands on me, it's going to be another lawsuit.
Do you have a Florida driver's license?
Like I just said.
I don't want to put my hands on you, man. What I'm trying to do is get you to identify yourself.
Are you holding me?
Yes. You are. You're detained right now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So until you identify yourself. But if you refuse to identify yourself,
I don't have to do it. I haven't committed a crime.
It's a traffic stop.
No, I haven't.
It's a traffic stop.
You
committed.
You pulled behind me. You chose. You chose to do that. You chose to do that.
Listen, man.
You were sitting off to the side, and you chose to come behind me. I didn't do nothing for you to come behind me, for you to try to identify me.
Okay, let me explain the delusion and the disconnect with this whole sovereign nonsense. This individual in particular, but the sovereign movement, is under the impression that a police officer does not have the jurisdiction or right to stop a vehicle for traffic violations as the person is not engaged in commerce. Absolutely 100% wrong. If you're operating a vehicle on a public roadway, you are subject to the laws of that jurisdiction. Full stop.
You have an expired.
What made you come behind me?
You have an expired tag. Another deputy ran your tag. Your tag was ran, which is expired, and you have a suspended driver's license over a year.
Like I just said, driver's license under your jurisdiction. I'm not under your jurisdiction. I'm not working. I'm not making any money. I am driving a private vehicle. I am traveling. Black Dog Dictionary. I know the law. Y'all about to be sued. That's what's about to happen.
Okay, you're going to hear them mention Black's Law Dictionary a lot, and that is actually a law reference book that actually exists. I think Henry Campbell Black in 1891 wrote the initial book, and it gets revised all the time with actual law stuff. But sovereigns cherry pick stuff and make this whole like goulash of weirdness that really ends up sounding ridiculous because it's just not the truth. It has nothing to do with race. The guy's last name just happens to be Black.
No, what's about to happen is this.
Y'all about to be
You identify yourself to us.
I didn't identify.
Under law,
I didn't identify myself. I don't have to identify myself.
You do have to identify yourself.
No, I don't.
You do.
No, I don't.
You do.
I am indigenous. I don't have to identify myself.
It is, by you not identifying yourself to us, it is a crime.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, I mean, you can sit there and say okay, but yeah, it is a crime if you don't identify yourself to us.
Can I have your superior out here?
For sure.
Okay.
Okay.
Y'all think y'all just gonna come out here and just bully people like that? Come on, this is my land. Y'all coming over here and putting y'all laws and policies and democracies on us. No, I don't have to follow y'all democracy.
All right, do you have
May I have your badge number?
Yep, 944, Deputy Boyd, 944.
May I have your badge number?
1076, Deputy Rexford.
Do you have your registration, proof of insurance, and your license on you?
You're seeing the black gloves go on. We're starting to see where the transition is likely going to go from talking to doing.
Do you have your registration, your proof of insurance, and your license on you, sir? If you're refusing to identify yourself, you're committing a crime. Yeah, but a crime is now being committed if you refuse to identify yourself. Yes, it is.
That's like me walking out my house and then you saying, "Oh, who are you?"
Now, at your house, that's your property. This right here is not your property. This is not your property, sir. This is public property.
You're in Flagler County on a public roadway, sir.
Yep. So,
Are you refusing to identify yourself?
I am indigenous.
I understand you're indigenous.
I am from the land. I am from the land.
Okay.
I don't have to identify myself to you.
You do have to identify yourself after we pull you over, sir. If we pull you over for a lawful order,
Why you pulling me?
huh?
What was the reason for you pulling me?
You have an expired tag on the back of your vehicle. Hey, you're asking me a question. You're asking me a question and not letting me answer it. You're asking me a question and not letting me answer it. How about you be quiet for a minute and let me answer the question that you're asking me? You do if you're asking me a question. If you're asking me a question, you need to be quiet so that I can ask you, so that I can answer the question. Is that correct? Is that correct? Is that correct? If you ask me a question, right, I'm dismissed? No, I'm not dismissed. No, but what's about to happen is if you keep not identifying yourself, you're about to be arrested.
A couple things, and it's to me time to critique the officers. This yelling back and forth creates challenges, and I believe this other officer that we're looking at on the screen is the newer officer that called for backup. And there's a critique that I've made of other officers that I'm also going to make. In American policing, we have to get in shape. This overweight police officer model that I'm seeing more and more of is something that's fixable, and it's something that will help this officer perform his duties better. He may be incredibly knowledgeable, he may be a very kind, may be able to shoot really well. Being in shape is one thing that we can control, and this is not his optimal shape. And I say this in kindness to him because I want him to have a long, healthy career, but that's not the way to do it.
Are you willing to identify yourself, sir?
I don't verbal contract with you.
You don't verbal contract with me.
I don't write contract.
So what you're saying is you're refusing to identify yourself at this time, after a lawful order.
Okay, what we'll do is this.
I'm waiting for your supervisor. That's what I already told you. I already been through this.
All right, we're waiting for a supervisor that's going to be here in just a minute, okay?
Okay.
And then he'll talk to you, and we'll go from there, man.
You let all the other cars go, but then you see me, the only black person, so-called black. I don't call myself black, but that's what y'all want to put me under, a straw man.
So you hear him saying, you saw this black man do this. I pulled over so many people who have said that same exact thing, and I had no idea what race the person was in the car. And many times the officer doesn't. It's the observation of the vehicle's maneuvers or whatever we saw from the vehicle. So many times I see it, and it's horrific for someone to make that accusation when most of the time we can't even tell the race of the person inside the car.
Listen,
What's wrong with you, man?
it had nothing to do. It had nothing to do with race.
Under all capitals. That's not me. That's not me.
So you do have a driver's license.
That's not me. That's not me.
Can you provide me with the driver's license?
That's not me.
Okay.
That's not me.
If you can provide us with a driver's license, you can go on your way after we check it, sir.
All right, man. Listen. I'm gonna give you one chance. Can you put your hands on the steering wheel for me, where I can see? I'm gonna give you one chance. Okay, this is your last chance.
It's not no chance, because I just sat here and told you.
This is your last chance.
Me. Can I see the supervisor?
It has nothing to do with race. Supervisor's busy on a case right now. Supervisor is busy on a case.
I need the supervisor.
I will mention this because it's an officer safety thing. The ponytail on the female officer, not tactical, and it can cause a whole bunch of challenges, not just with suspects, jumping over fences, that should be put up in some type of bun or something.
I'll wait right here until the supervisor comes.
All right, man.
I'll wait right here. Because as soon as you touch me, that's you gonna get your immunity, all your qualified immunity. I'm taking all of it. And I'm gonna go for all your I'm gonna get you.
Are you threatening me right now?
No, I'm gonna sue you.
Are you threatening me right now?
I'm gonna sue you.
Okay.
I'm gonna sue you.
You've heard me mention this term before. This is 100% felony stupid.
I told you one chance.
I'm telling you.
Identify yourself.
I'm telling you.
Or you're going to jail.
I'm telling you.
Identify yourself.
I'm telling you.
Or you're going to jail.
I'm telling you.
Okay. Come on.
Nope, don't.
Come on. Step out of the vehicle, sir.
I got my
Step out of the vehicle.
I got my driver's
No,
license.
no, we already went past that. We already went past that. Step out of the
Don't
vehicle.
grab my phone. Like I
Step out of the
said.
vehicle, sir.
Like I said.
Step out of the vehicle, sir. Step out. Step out. Step out. Step out.
Let go of the steering wheel.
I got my driver's license. Don't pick me up. I'm not resisting.
Right now.
You see this?
Lean forward.
Give me your hand. Give me your hand.
Put your hand behind your back.
That's okay.
Put your hand behind your back.
That's okay. There go my driver's license right there.
Okay. Yep, it's suspended.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
If it was suspended, why would my... Come on, man. You ain't got to do all of that.
Well, sir, after what you just did...
No, I didn't do nothing, man. Whatever, man. Whatever, man. Whatever.
All right, lean forward, sir. We're going to search.
Go. And I don't give y'all no reason to search me either.
That's fine. You're under arrest?
I'm not under arrest for what?
Obstruction?
I didn't stop nothing.
When he asked you multiple
I didn't
times,
stop nothing. I know my rights. I'm telling you, y'all breaking my law. Y'all breaking the law.
you have your rights
Y'all
in court.
breaking the law.
All right, go ahead and get in,
Like
sir.
I said, y'all breaking the law.
Go ahead and get in, sir.
I don't want y'all touching me, animals.
Okay.
Democracy on the ballot this year. You think I sit here and vote? Why would I want to sit here and vote and have somebody over me? No man should have nobody governing over them. Y'all gotta have kings and queens and shit. We don't live like that. I'm a god.
So what you see here is the officers conducting what's called search incident to arrest, which the vehicle has to be an inventory search to make sure that there's nothing dangerous in it. We often recover things inside of it. It appears that they recovered some narcotics inside of the vehicle, which are additional charges that you can add on. And the female officer mentioned that he's being arrested for obstructing, losing the car, going to jail for at least 2 charges that we can see that the officers mentioned. It's a big L. If you know someone who's learning this or living by or abiding by this kind of nonsense, share this video with them, please, because they're just going to end up in jail if they encounter a police officer. It's never ever going to work unless the laws change, because the laws are very much in the favor of this being absolute nonsense. Like, subscribe, and click on the video that's on your screen if you like content just like this.